Being out of shape sucks, and it's a big problem for me because in 10 weeks, I'm traveling out to start my new homestead. I've got trees to plant, swales to dig, and structures to start building. It's time to level up. I do know how to get into shape. I've run a few half marathons. I've competed in powerlifting. Then I tried a new sport and I tore my ACL. I had to have surgery and I got depressed. So it's been a few years. Time for my comeback story. The first thing I needed to do was address my weak areas, and they are really weak. I didn't have the time to invest in physical therapy, but luckily my husband's job gives us access to an app called Hinge Health. Hinge Health is basically a physical therapy app. Workouts are less than 15 minutes and you can do them with just an exercise band and a yoga mat. You also have access to a physical therapist to help you tailor your exercises to your goals. My dogs love to help me with my floor exercises. I used Hinge Health to focus on a couple areas of weakness. Number one was my bad knee. My left knee is the one where I had my ACL replaced, and they used my hamstring for the graft, so that really messed up my hamstring strength and range of motion on that side. The second is pelvic floor health. I'm in my 40s and I've had 2 kids. If you're in a female body, I highly recommend that you focus a little bit here too. There are a lot of symptoms that some of us have that, although they're common, they aren't normal. It's okay to want better for yourself. Seeing a pelvic floor therapist or working on it through structured physical therapy is a huge help. And I've just started on a third weak area, cardiovascular health. I've got asthma. Cardio has always been rough, but lately it's been especially painful. My youngest kid wants to get in shape for track season, so we've decided to do a Couch to 5K program together. We're 5 weeks in, and I'm not gonna lie, things have started to feel really hard. I might have to restart this week to get comfortable with it. But getting back into good shape isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. I'm trying to set up a good foundation here. Now let's talk about building strength. Our property is covered with steep hills. After a day of work, it feels like a lot. So I'll need to focus on my quads, calves, and cardiovascular health. Digging, I've got a lot of that to do. That will involve a lot of back and shoulder strength. Moving rocks and loads of dirt, I need to focus on, well, really my whole body. But I think that hitting hamstrings, shoulders, back, quads, and grip strength should cover a lot of it. I've started a routine to build strength. 3 times a week, I'm gonna do these. Walking lunges. These hit quads and glutes. I'm focusing on unilateral exercises so that I can help identify imbalances and also improve my balance. Single leg Romanian deadlifts. These hit hamstrings, back, and glutes. This one is also killer for working those little foot muscles that help keep you balanced, which I'll need in rough terrain. Farmer carries. These work shoulders, core, and grip strength. This one, well, it's obvious why it'll be helpful. I'll be carrying a lot of stuff. I'm also incorporating bent over rows and bench presses because I need to hit back and bench presses because I just really like them. Will I make it? Will I get into shape for my spring building spree? I'm gonna do my best. Follow along, subscribe, and join me on my journey.